Hi and welcome to this demo on mobile device management, powered by Zenprise. In this demo, we will showcase the complete end-to-end life cycle management of mobile devices, starting with device enrollment, which is a simple device onboarding process, followed by policy configuration from a security and compliance perspective. We will also touch base on device actions from an ongoing support and maintenance. We will also look into device deregistration process in the event of a user separation or device reported as lost or stolen. In a typical environment, the user raises a service request for accessing the corporate data through mobile devices. In such a scenario, the IT admin registers the device based on authentication either through LDAP or AD and obtains the details of the registered devices as shown on this dashboard. This dashboard gives details on the registered devices like device serial number, device user, device model number, device platform, etc. But the most important detail here is a quick check on the compliance of the device, specifically whether it is jailbroken or rooted, and whether it complies to corporate policy for accessing any enterprise application and/or data. This is indicated by the red and green highlighters in the dashboard. Based on the highlighter, appropriate actions can be taken by the admins. In this case, the jailbroken or compromised device will not be provided any further access, and the user will be informed about any corrective actions. For the device that is compliant, it qualifies for access to enterprise resources. So the next question is, where do I define the policy or filter? This is the place where policies and rules are set. The policies are defined specific to the device platform. By navigating to a device platform, which in this is iOS, specific policy profiles and settings can be configured. Policies like passcode, restriction, wireless settings, VPN configuration, email and active sync, etc. can be defined. Let us configure passcode policy for iOS platform. Security controls can be enforced for profile removal operation. Strong password enforcement with actions like device wipe on failed attempts can also be configured. Let us configure restrictive policy for iOS platform. Users can be restricted from accessing camera and gaming portals, thereby enforcing lockdown policies. Access to YouTube and iTunes can be blocked, thereby enhancing user productivity. Let us configure wireless profile policy for iOS platform. The wireless configuration supports all the widely used encryption technologies, thereby allowing the IT admins to set up secured wireless connections through mobile devices. Let us configure a password policy for Android platform. By enabling device storage encryption, the data at rest can be securely encrypted, thereby enhancing data security. In addition to this, we can declare applications as whitelisted or blacklisted to add additional compliance. In the event a blacklisted application is installed on the device, or if the whitelisted application is removed from the device, an out of compliance is immediately flagged. The device is disconnected from the management server, thereby removing access to enterprise resources. The IT admins will proactively inform the users to take corrective action to restore access. Once these policies are defined, a deployment package specific to the device platform is created and then deployed to the devices. The deployment happens over the air. Once these policies are defined, a deployment package specific to the device platform is created and then deployed to the devices. The deployment happens over the air. The deployment status per device can also be determined by navigating to Devices tab and selecting a device. The Deployment tab gives complete audit history with relevant deployment status. In addition to this, the Device Details screen also gives a view into the device properties and device software inventory. For application management, the admin will navigate to Files tab and import a new internally developed mobile application or file. In addition to this, a recommended market app can also be linked and advertised to the users, so that the users can download the correct application instead of spending time locating the app on the market. For app deployment, the admin will follow the same steps as explained earlier to create a platform-specific package and include the applications and files from the resources pool and deploy to identified users and groups by defining deployment rules. Reports provides visibility into device environment, which includes hardware and software inventory reports, jailbroken or rooted devices report, device enrollment report, etc. Let us generate a jailbroken devices report. Let us generate a device software inventory report. Let us generate a compliance report where blacklisted applications are detected. For system configuration, which is a one-time setup, an IT admin will navigate to Options screen and configure LDAP, integrate with Certificate Server, and set additional mobile security settings. This concludes the demo for mobile device management, powered by Zenprise. Feel free to contact us if you need further information. We will be glad to hear from you. Happiest Minds, simplifying your enterprise mobility.